Afternoon to Madam Mechi. My name is Pumashini. I'm from School of HBP. My matrix ID is 143709 and I'm from Group 3 for swimming class. The topic I've chosen for my individual presentation is warm-up in swimming. So in this presentation, I'll cover up 3 topics under the warm-up in swimming. The first one is I'll tell why is warm-up so important in swimming. The second one is I'll tell a few examples of warm-up techniques available in swimming. For the third section, I'll tell the consequences, what will happen if warm-up is not done before swimming. Begin my first section of my individual presentation. Now, warming up is so important in swimming. The first reason of why warming up is so important in swimming is that in swimming many muscles in the body is involved. So when we have done proper warming up before we start swimming, so it helps to deliver oxygen to all the muscles that will be used during the swimming in our body. Warming up also helps to increase the body temperature. So when our body temperature is high before the swimming, now this can prevent our muscle to be tender and have any injuries. Warming up before swimming also the level of blood flow in our body. So when the level of blood flow in our body is good, so this helps the muscle to receive more energy and glucose before the swimming, so that all the muscles can work up maximally during the swimming session. Up before swimming also helps to increase the mechanical ability of the muscle. So when the muscles are mechanically strong, so they will work at a maximum efficiency during the swimming session. Importance of warming up in swimming session is warming up before swimming helps to prepare our cardiovascular system, as we know that swimming is a good cardio exercise. So when we done proper warming up before the swimming section, so our cardiovascular system already prepared to go through the exercise. Let me continue my presentation to the second section, which is the types of warming up available in swimming. So for this part, I'll present 3 types of warming up in swimming. Of warming up that can be done before swimming is the wall press. Now wall press is also known as the chest rest. So for this exercise, we have to stand facing the wall. Our palm need to be faced into the wall with our thumb facing the ceiling. So once this position is already standby, we have to rotate our body until the pressure is felt on the chest and shoulders. So these steps is repeated for 15 to 20 seconds. The next type of warming up that can be done before the swimming section is the goal post squeeze. It's done by placing our elbow arms at an angle of 90 degrees in front of us. So then we should rotate it to the front and back until the pressure is felt on the shoulder angle. So we should maintain the elbow arms at a 90 degrees, and we should continue this position from 10 to 15 minutes. Type of warming up that can be done before the swimming section is the goal post squeeze. So for this position, our arms needed to be positioned at a 90 degrees of the shoulder level, and we must make sure during this position we must make sure that our arms doesn't drop below the shoulder levels like this. So this position is continue for 10 to 15 minutes. Section, I'll tell now if the warm-up doesn't done properly before the swimming section. So what are the common injuries that can happen? So the first one is injuries that can happen is the irritation among the neck area. So since we are moving forward our hands during the swimming, so now when proper swimming warm-up doesn't done, so this can hurt our neck. Type of injuries that can happen is the tears in the shoulders, in the joint in the shoulders area. So this can happen because too much of swinging in the arms area, and the muscle doesn't loosen up during the warming up session. These two injuries. So injuries can also happen seriously in the shoulders area, since throughout the swimming section, shoulders are one of the main muscles that we are using. So when there is no proper warming up to loosen up the muscles in this area, now this can cause serious injuries in the shoulders area. So that's all for my presentation. Thank you very much.